Hello everyone, I am Anjana Verma from SIRTE Bhopal. Today I am discussing or I am going to present a lab practical of software engineering, that is how to make a use case diagram for your software. When you design your software, you have to make different types of diagram. They can be done with the help of UML, Unified Modeling Language, in which use case comes. There are so many diagrams, ER diagram, DFD, which I have already made and videos posted. Now today we will do use case diagram. Now first we will see what is use case diagram. Use case diagram actually referred as the behavior diagram, which describes the action and actor. Actor means entity who will play the role, that is use case. Actor represent the role that user of use cases play. Actor may be a person, may be a workstation, device, any bank, any institution. For example, we can take here student. The diagram of actor is, you can see here, and the use case. Second thing, what role will be played by the actor, that is use case. The diagram is the ellipse diagram, you can see here. Generate performance report. You write inside the use case diagram which type of role is performed by the actor, and you write the name of actor also. Here the name of actor is student, and the role which is played by anyone, you can say not related with the student. Generate performance report. Now there is another thing which includes in the use case diagram is a directed relationship, which is, you can say, extend relationship. It is totally optional. If you require any type of help or any type of thing which is extended for that particular use case. Here registration is a use case, and if you want help, so you can take it and it will show by the dashed arrow which point to the main use case, and on the label, on the dashed line, you can label as extend. Now next is the include, which is also directed relationship, and the pointed to the from the use case to include use case, means without these include use case you cannot complete the main use case. Here the main use case is checkout, which includes checkout includes you scan the item, how many items are purchased, you can say, you calculate the total of that items, and after that payment. Means these three things when you complete, then you can say the checkout. Means in use case diagram we can draw use cases for role play, actor, the player. System means in which environment the thing is doing. If you are doing library management system, which means the environment is totally library. If you are doing trading system, means if you want to purchase anything from the Amazon, you have to go to the site of Amazon. That is system, and the relationship, that is association, you can say dependency, generalization, specialization, include, exclude, like this. Now we'll see an example, and after that we will see how to create the use case diagram. This is a simplest example I have taken, so you can understand very, I think very cool, and कोई problem नहीं होगी, without any problem you can get. Now there is one actor is customer. Atmosphere means the system is automatic trading house system. Means we are purchasing something in a trading house, online we can say, or offline. Customer is a player which place order. Sales department is also an actor which give the item list of the sales, and manager which manage the registration of customer, the payment of customer, and all these things. Now you can divide the customer in two part or three part, four part, many part. There are types of customer, namely individual, you are purchasing the thing, or you are purchasing the wholesale, means for corporate. Means we are having so many actors you can see, and the role plays is accept order, place order, search order, tracking, means related with the purchasing any role you can write in use case. Manager will manage the customer account. यदि उस कस्टमर के अकाउंट में पहले से पैसा रखा है तो he will cut the money from that account, or he will ask money whenever you pay, then it will ship for you. Queries, if there is any query from the customer, the manager will handle the query. So we will make this diagram in star UML. Now, you see another use case diagram, just like that, customer, clerk, which is managing the thing, administrator, which is also the admin department. Clerk means doing the typing things or data entry things. Now, bank is also a payment service, or there are so many types of phone pay, Paytm, they are services provided for the payment. So this is also an actor. We have to count this. Now you can see there are so many types of red color things. Extend relationship, include relationship. Multiplicity symbol means a customer has one payment service has zero or more than zero payments. Okay, now there are associations, you can see here. मल्टीप्लिटी सिंबल, एक कस्टमर चेकआउट कर सकता है, एक से ज्यादा बार कर सकता है. इट इज ऑल्सो यूज एन एक्टर. दिस इज यूज केस. मीन्स आई थिंक यू गॉट the basic idea of use case diagram. Now I'm sharing the new screen of the star UML. It is open source software which you can very easily download and install, and you can make this type of use case diagram which I am showing here. Now I think you are able to see the star UML. In the very left upper corner, you can see star that shows star UML. This is unregistered, means I have taken open source for individual uses. Okay, if it required for the corporate or anything, I think that time you have to pay something. Now, I want to make use case model, so we will go direct to the use case model. You select the model option. Model, you are looking there, menu driven things, file menu, edit menu, format menu, and model menu. You click on the model menu and then click on the add diagram. When you click on the add diagram, you can see there are so many types of diagram here. We will select. We have done class diagram, we have done data flow diagram, we have done ER diagram. Now this time we will select use case diagram. Whenever you select the use case diagram, easily you can see here in the left side, there are so many icons you can see here, or so many tools are available for the use case diagram only. Now you select, first you select the use case subject, click here, and then draw a box for the environment. Right here, automated trading system. You can do this for anything. Now you can see here in the left, there are so many things are available. We don't do this. Now I'm making an actor. You click here. Now you name the actor, that is customer first. After that, next again actor, you can click here. and you can write a bank simply, or another actor is manager. Okay, you can move them easily like this. And you have seen there are so many criteria for this. I think the spelling of manager is not right. Manager. Now you can see here, if you want to do this, the key field, or there are so many types of things you can see here, which will be looked afterward. Now we make choose cases. First was that place order or accept order. I'm writing here. Access items. Okay. Second thing, what will be the second thing? Second use case we are drawing. That is process order. You can see, or generate bill. PROCESS, process order and generate bill. After that, third use case you can use manage customer, which will be done by the manager. I think you are getting clearly. Any doubt you can ask in that box. Now next is queries. Handle queries, which is also done by the manager. Now you can, if you want to divide the customer in individual and corporate, so we can make here an actor again, that is individual, individual, and other actor, that is corporate. Okay. Now we will put the associations. Now here you can see in a blue color, that is association. You click here and draw from the customer to access item. You can write here order. Okay. Now association will also done by the from the customer to bank. The order placed हुआ है, so naturally you have to pay something. Again you can draw from process to the bank, generate bill होगा. उसके बाद again you can draw manage customer from here, handle queries from here. Now for these customers, individual and corporate, we use generalization. You can see here generalization option. So you draw like this. You can write, if you want to write in this line, that customer for single like this, you can write if you want. Next is, if you want to write the name of company, suppose I am writing that for TCS we are doing this. Okay, like this you can draw, and they are also can be associated with the all things like access items, like this. Okay, now when you are access item or you are access processing suppose. So it may happens, you bank or manager will take help from your registration link. Have you registered or not? Have you registered or not? So that time we can extend it or include it. Suppose one use case we are making for the extend help. Okay. For this, we are doing extend relationship. So you click for the extend relationship, and from this, you draw a line, and you can see. Okay, I have taken help for the registration, we can say. Now you can see, if you drag it, it will show two labels. First is extend, which will come automatically, and then what is I have written, I am taking help for the registration. Like this, you can write here for include. Suppose payment is done, then first you have to make use case, and then you use include. Here, payment. It is required to generate bill. It is must required. So you have to include payment. So you write include, and you start from the I think you are getting this. Means with the payment you can generate bill and like this. So we have made a use case diagram with the help of customers, players, with use cases and environment, with include and exclude relationship. I think you got very well. I think you understood how to create a use case diagram for your project. You can make this type of diagram for any software, for library management system, for hospital management system, or any application. And for this, with this, I'm finishing this use case diagram exercise, and we will meet next time with next UML. Thanks.